All right, nice shaded, quiet spot here. All right. What's up, you guys? Taylor Motes here, and in today's video, I'm going to be covering Principle 3 of the 10 principles to living out of your car. So, Principle 3 is all about maintenance, and not just maintenance of your car, it's maintenance of your health and maintenance of your life. So, really, three things today. So, I like to try to stick with three things. It's simple enough, yet complex enough to, I feel, get the point across. So, anyway, maintenance of your car. Really simple, and the most consistent things you need to watch out for. One, obviously, gas to get you from point A to B. Maintenance of your health, maintenance of your health, maintenance of your health. This is the biggest thing I think I can really touch on. Is it's going to be easy for you to want to eat out and go to fast food and do all those things because you're going to be on the road. But I assure you, a big point to living out of your car is to save money and put that away. Plan ahead, buy cheap, easy, healthy foods. Celery, carrots, peanut butter, protein powders, vitamin powders, things you can add to water. Healthy oils, like I loved using hemp oil. It comes in a little squirt bottle. You can squirt that right in your protein shake, and you're getting healthy fats. I mean, this experience could be incredibly great for your diet, your health, because you're sacrificing a lot of foods that you could have been eating before that were unhealthy, and now you're putting yourself in a much more life-changing experience. So why don't you change other factors in your life as well? Unless, of course, you're already doing that, then by all means stick with it and keep it up. But and then number 3 is maintenance of your life. So, again, it's a stressful situation, and you want to keep everything held together. You want to really keep it together with your life. And when you make this transition and change, the biggest thing that I always come back to is sleep, which is principle number 1. It's so very important, to where if you're not getting quality sleep, it's going to affect all areas of your life, and it's just going to be hard to maintain. So, geez. Anyway, so keep that in mind. The most consistent things to maintain with your car, again, is gas. From there, oil changes, and then with the changing of the seasons, your tire pressure. That's just something that's going to help with your overall mileage and getting the best efficiency with your gas. And obviously you don't want to get any flat tires. So, and then with that as well, that comes into being if you can add to your insurance, like the roadside assistance, to where if anything happens, you can call your insurance company. They'll send somebody out for free, and they'll be able to repair like any tires, or at least get a tow truck to tow your car somewhere to like a shop to get things taken care of. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Anything more complex, obviously you're just gonna have to take it to a shop anyway. I definitely recommend getting to know a mechanic to where hopefully it wouldn't cost you an arm and a leg if you do need work done, or at least they can teach you how to work on it yourself, or you can learn. Maybe they can just give you space in a garage and have access to tools to where you can do it yourself. I do know a mechanic. He's let me do that before. With changing brakes are expensive. So I was able to go to his house, and he let me change my brakes in his driveway, and that saved me a good $800. So definitely, came in handy. And then number 2 is, again, food, covering food. I totally suggest just sticking to raw foods. You can live a quality life on protein powders, vitamin powders, raw foods, celery, peanut butter, carrots, apples, oranges, simple fruits and vegetables without breaking the bank. You're going to be spending about the same amount of money as if you were shopping or going out to eat like at fast food. It's really about the same price. You're really not spending more, and you're getting a much more quality, nutritious diet from that. So definitely keep that in mind. And then again, to touch on 3 real quick again, it's really just getting that quality sleep to keep everything else maintained. It would help to keep everything organized. I'm going to talk about that in another video. But maintaining your life, as if, you know, before you were living out of your car. And if it was a mess then, and that's the reason why you're living out of your car, well, maybe it's time to really, you know, get things together, get your stuff together, to really, you know, get everything organized and in line. But again, I'm going to be talking about that in another video. But you guys, I just want to make this vlog and make sure you guys are all just good out there and safe on your journey, and I'll leave it at that. You guys, peace, be well, and I'll see you in the next video.